guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Finally made it back to shop in California. That drive was like too much. Like the wheel came off the truck. It was a headache, but we made it here. Now it's time. Well, not really. I stopped working on everyone's cars, but I definitely need to give my baby some love. We're gonna start with the FC first. You already see I already put the wheels on it already. And got the spares over here. And then IRP Mega Master Stop and Found. So those are the fronts and the rears. We're supposed to be right here, but you know, story. They actually have to fix the FC. Last time I drove it for final bout before the whole pandemic happened, I broke second gear and third gear. And there's a drift event on the 4th, which is tomorrow, that I'm trying to make, so I have to take everything out to get the transmission out. Because this car's like, since everything's like super like hard lines to the radiator, you can't just like let the engine dangle, break everything. So I have to like drain the radiator, take the lines off, take the intercooler pipes off, take the motor mounts out, drop the engine a little bit to get the clutch out, because this is a twin disc. This line is longer, so it kind of makes it a little pain in the ass to get the transmission out. And then put it on the lift, take this car off the lift, and put this one on the lift, swap the transmission, and that should be it, because this car is super reliable all the time. But yeah, haven't turned it on yet. There's no point, I already know the car runs. I don't want to like get everything hot and then have to take it apart again. So just gonna start taking everything apart, and hopefully have it ready by the time that Royce or Radio get here. Either or, they can help me take everything out. Woke up super early just to get this done. That's how excited I am about driving this car, even though I don't like really look like it. But I miss this thing a lot. Finally got the FC in the lift. An hour and a half later, I'm dying. Had to get this beautiful thing off the lift. Let it sunbathe for a little bit, so I can fix this thing. Hey, my hood! You were telling me where to go. Oh my God, Royce, go down. Oh my God, go down. You going? Oh my God, this fucking guy. This fucking guy. Oh my God. So get your friends to help you, they said. It'll be fun, they said. It feels bad, so he wants to see what he did.
No.
Yo, look at this shit. Nothing happened to it.
Oh, it's not too bad.
No, nothing happened. That ain't shit. This hood already open. He hit something. Cool. You're forgiven. Cool. Ooh. You see any metal? Oh no, she clean. She dirty, but she clean. It actually doesn't look that bad. Make sure the car, everything's good on it. And as you can tell, this thing looks like shit. I wish I could just power wash it right here, but you can't do that in California. So it's gonna stay looking like this. Oh, shitty. I gotta fix all these wires that are broken. Definitely should get a new one of these. And I think, yeah, I'm missing a bolt. And the axle is already going to shit, so this thing gets abused. Definitely not a show car. You can get used in it, man. Just do like a fake turn. You just tighten it. You tighten it. No, just forget about it. Just forget about it. You already played me. We definitely put the car in the air and just double check everything. You see, this is good. This is good. Everything looks good. And then you got something like this. So that's why let's go check the car before you go to an event. So we're gonna go through all the bolts, make sure everything's good.
I'm gonna drop this shit, watch.
Don't drop it. You're fired if you drop it.
Dude.
I'm gonna hire you and then fire you.
Get the plug then.
You wanna see all that metal coming out?
Yeah, it's gonna get on my face.
Oh, dude, like.
Dude, it's. Oh yeah, it's not metal for sure.
Oh yeah, it's not metal.
No, it's not.
No, it was a big chunk. Hey, the fluid was good. We should have reused it. Damn, give me that big ass one. Yeah.
Record the top?
Yeah, point here. Look at that. It's not good.
What? Why is it doing it?
No,
On this?
No, look at the top.
It's not.
It's not sitting flat. Yeah.
Oh shit! It's these
Oh yeah, there it is.
Oh god.
Ooh, I should add those to the little baggies that I got. Oh yeah.
How many baggies you got now?
That one's shit. That one's shit. The one under it is shit, and this one's shit.
Why don't you just kill all TT trannies?
So I can't drive. That's why. I don't know how to drive. Slow down. Alright.
There you go.
Stand your shit up. I don't know how to do it in here. Yeah, it has fluid in there.
Yeah.
And you drain this fluid out. Get the... there. Yeah. Oh, shit! Alright, still dirty, but new transmission's in. That thing was actually pretty easy. We didn't record it because usually we have a really hard time putting transmission on. But I don't know why this one just went on so easy. So got everything put back together. Found out basically like tying these were loose. This was loose on both sides. Fixed that. The one problem that I can't, oh, this was loose too. Like this bar was loose. One thing that I found out that's bad that I can't fix in time, just gonna run it, is my wheel bearing. Yeah, wheel bearing is bad. So fuck it. Just gonna go drive the car. Alright, so made it out to Apple Valley. Right now we're just waiting on Angelito Toes to pick up my boy, because this thing would definitely get wrecked pulling in. This thing did amazing on the way here. So super excited to drive. I'm probably just gonna take a little break and like cool down from the drive and then go with the car and then go drive.
Drive off the train here.
Hey fool, chill out.
I'm doing what he's telling me to do.
It's supposed to be like that.
That's my new Fitment game, man. Look at that Fitment.
Yeah, you just got bad luck.
First entry. Hey, bro.
So first entry for radio, tire came off. Mine was alright. I didn't actually hit the first turn. I'm about to go out again, but because it's super hot, so you have to be careful with the car. It's super hot.
My foot pedal.
Damn.
Oh yeah, nuevo modelo de verdad. Hell yeah.
End of the day, car did all right. Definitely found some issues with it. ECU needs to be replaced. Something got wet when I opened the radiator cap and messed it up. Is not wanting to like start. Kind of figure out what it was. Something to do with the fuel. Like something, I don't know. Something on the computer's bad. I need to get a new computer. Point to a tree, I broke the oil coolers. I need to get new oil coolers. Went out track, hit something in the back. I can definitely feel it moving, so I don't know. I have to do check it, but other than that, I mean, the car ran pretty good for being how hot it was. I could only do about like a lap and a half before I hit 220, and so did everyone else. So it wasn't just me. So it wasn't too much fun. Cause I didn't want to beat up the car too bad. So now I'm just gonna take my time, fix the car up nicely, and do some changes to make the car more responsive to the style driving that I want to do with the car. Cause right now the 40 is kind of laggy, and I want something that hits harder. So we'll see. I gotta ask my sugar daddy Mochi so he can buy me more parts for my car.